Ready to turn your big ideas into reality? With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing your perfect domain, building a stunning website, and launching your brand to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997, which is one of the largest domain registrars in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So to get started, you have just to come back here. We have create your own website. You have just to click over start for free, and then you will find this page as you can see. Here we have your free website is only the first step. Here we have create a mobile-friendly website for your business for free and witness the growth of your business to integrate your marketing. You can just click over start for free, but before I will show you how you can get started. So here we have how to create a free website. With websites plus marketing, you can create a website to present your portfolio or to set up shop in order to sell cookies, offer online recipes, or even pass through your courses. Follow the steps below to create your website using our powerful all-in-one authoring tool designed specifically to help you grow. We have the first step, which is choose a template to start building your site or free shop. The second step, which is add your content, your products, and the contact details of the enterprise to take ownership of the site. Then the third step, which is with integrated marketing to let people know you are up and running. Then the fourth step, which is you can manage everything on any device from a single dashboard, reviews, orders, social media. Then the last step, which is buy premier features according to your needs, add-ons for your shop, referencing, SEO, and appointments. And we have other information here about how it works. Also, like we have here pricing, models, functionality, creator, and fake here. Here we have some frequently questions. If you want to know more about GoDaddy.com, you can just click over here and you'll get your answers. So let's come back to the top. So we have just to click over get started. So you have just to click over get started, start for free. Your free website is only the first step. Then you will find this page. Here we have create account. Already have an account. You have just to click over login and draw out your email address and your password. Then you get started. And if you want to sign up, you have just to click over continue with Facebook or continue with Google or continue with email, and then you got your email address and your personal information. For Facebook and Google. About email, you have just to write your email address and your password, then you get started, and you will find here these questions. You have just to answer to get started, and you will find the home page. Here we have what features that your website need. For example, sell with an online store, make appointments online, or something else. So I will click over something else and I will click over continue. Then we have here very well what kind of website do you want. We use this information to recommend photos and content to you. For example, here we have hairdresser, and we have spa. Also we have here photograph. So you can just select the thing that you want. Then we have here what name should we give to your website. This will be the name of your project. If you change your AV, you can always update it. For example, I will select here's the shop. Then I will get started. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here home and we have your navigation of publication of the site. Here we have you can add website, your page, link, and external website link to a section, so we have just to link a title here and other things here. Also we have your themes like the color, fonts, buttons, and you can also right now just add, for example, these things like that. Then you choose the thing that you want and you modify it as you want. Here we have the next steps, updating recommendation. We have to get started. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Review about section, add your logo or create on, just strengthen your brand image, upload media to use on your site, use Facebook images. Have you improve your site, grow your audience, then you have explore some new tools. So after signing up for GoDaddy, start by login into your account. Use the search bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore the hosting options that choose one that fits your needs, like shared VPS or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience, or upload your existing site files. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account for renewal reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So this is how you can do that. For example, if you don't like this one, you can just add it, delete it, I mean. Then you can just modify, add a section here, the color also. Then also we have here, you can just add whatever you want. Here, if you want to add a section, here we have recommended, popular premium, we have audio and video, blog and newsletter, commerce, contact, files and web, image, gallery, general, social links, planet, restaurant also. So this is it. And also we have your shortcuts like shop, appointments, messaging, and pop-up. And then we have your preview, creator of website, and then here we have publish. So GoDaddy serves as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence with its wide array of services, including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools. GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike, whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site. GoDaddy equips you with the tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.